Let me show you how you can organize your emails with folders inside of Outlook. If you have tons of incoming mails and you want to manage them into different categories such as work or personal emails, what you can do is create subfolders inside of your inbox. So the way that you do it is just right click on the inbox section and you'll have the option called Create New Subfolder. This way a subfolder will be created right inside of inbox. Other than inbox, if you want to create subfolders for other categories such as drafts, you can also do that. But for now, let's do for the inbox section. You can rename this whatever you'd like and then click on this check mark. This way a new subfolder will be created. This way you can simply move different emails into different subfolders. If you want to create multiple subfolders, you can do that as well. Now, once the subfolders have been created, the way that you move them is you can just drag and drop them into the category that you like, and the mails will be successfully moved. Other than this, if you don't see the option called move, you can right click on the mail. You'll see the move option right here, and you can just select the folder or the subfolder, and the emails will be immediately moved. So this way you can create different subfolders. You can also change the color of them if you'd like to remember them as well and to create a clean Outlook. So that was a simple video on the way that you can manage your Outlook using folders. If this video was helpful, be sure to subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.